In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the OpenAI server status and troubleshoot any issues you might be experiencing. So let's dive right in. First things first, when you suspect there might be an issue with OpenAI servers, a quick trip to their server status page is in order. You'll want to visit status.openai.com. By doing this, you'll be able to see if there are any ongoing issues with their services. If the servers are indeed down, the best course of action is to simply wait for their team to resolve the issue. It can, at times, take a bit of patience, but rest assured, they work around the clock to ensure everything is up and running smoothly. Moving on, if there's no problem indicated on their server status page, it might be time to look at refreshing or restarting your web browser. This is a quick way to clear any temporary glitches that could be causing the issue. If you're on a Windows machine, you can force refresh by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and R simultaneously. For Mac users, you'll press Command, Shift, and R. If that doesn't seem to help, don't hesitate to close your browser entirely and open it again. A fresh restart can often clear up the unexpected hiccup. Another step you can take involves clearing your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, head over to your browser settings. Look for the privacy or security options. Here, you'll find the option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select both cache and cookies before you clear them. Once done, restart your browser to see if the issue persists. This process basically gives your browser a clean slate, which can be beneficial if temporary data is causing the issue. If you're still encountering problems, it might be worth trying a different browser altogether. Suppose you're using Chrome. Consider switching to Firefox, Edge, or Safari. This can be particularly useful as some errors may be tied to a specific browser. By changing browsers, you can potentially bypass the problem entirely. Another potential issue could be your VPN or proxy settings. While these tools can add an extra layer of privacy or security, they sometimes interfere with your ability to connect to OpenAI servers properly. You should temporarily disable your VPN or proxy and attempt to connect again. It might just resolve the connectivity issue you're facing. Finally, it never hurts to reassess your internet connection, restart your Wi-Fi router, or switch to another network like mobile data to see if your connection is more stable. Ensuring a strong and steady connection can make a big difference. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to checking and troubleshooting OpenAI server status. With these tips under your belt, you should be well equipped to diagnose and fix any issues that come your way. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you navigate any future hurdles with ease.